Hello squad. Earlier, I have shown you how we can remove any items from a list permanently. But what if we want to remove the item, but we have to use that particular deleted item in future? So this is not a scenario that where we no longer need that item, but this is a kind of scenario where we may want to use the deleted item in future. So in this scenario, we can't use that earlier explained method, that is del keyword. So what we have to use is something called pop. So we have to use this particular pop method. So how we can use it, I'm gonna explain now itself. So for that, what you have to do is, let me just I'm just removing this thing, print function. Now I'm just printing it out, menu. After that, I want to use some variable called deleted items. I'm just creating a new variable, that is deleted items. Now I'm just trying to call my variable, that is menu dot. I'm using pop method. When I use pop method, this automatically deletes the last item in my list. So what is the last element from my list? Momos is the last element from my list. So if I use pop, automatically Python deletes momos. So I'm just trying to call deleted items. See here, I have totally used two print functions. The first print function usually gives you the original, that is the without even executing this particular pop method, we will get the older menu. Now, after executing the pop method, we will get the deleted items, right? But after that, here I would like to include print function again, because what this will give me is, so this print function will give me older menu. Now, this print function will give me new menu. Now, this print function will give me deleted item. So what is the thing that I have deleted? That's what it will give me. So that's the thing. So if I just save the file and if I try to hit run, see here, in the first print function, I have got my older menu, that is including momos. Now after the execution of this pop method, momos has got deleted and my new menu would be this thing, that is ice creams, Hyderabadi biryani, noodles, chicken, juices without momos. And the third print function, that is deleted items, would be momos. So this is what I have deleted. So that's how you can easily remove the last item from your list in lists. That's it.